Welcome back to the Girl Cave. Today we're using our scrapbooking supplies to make a care package. Grab yourself a box. I'm using a priority box because I wanted to reach my son as fast as possible. And then think of a theme. It could be Valentine's, it could be an out of the blue box. My theme for this one is You Are My Sunshine. So everything that I've picked for this box is yellow. I have lined the bottom with some cardstock in yellow, and I've lined the flaps with some blue cardstock, and I use my Cricut to cut out the words You Are My Sunshine, My Only Sunshine, You Make Me Happy When Skies Are Gray. And I will adhere the letters to the flaps so that when my son opens the box, he'll see the words and the goodies inside. Here's what you will need. You need obviously the box, cardstock, something to help you fill up the box. And because my theme is You Are My Sunshine, I've gathered everything that I had in yellow. I have the shredded paper in yellow. I have some die cuts in the shape of suns. I have one big sun that I had in my sticker book. My letters are in yellow. And then all the goodies that I got are yellow. So I got him some chips, some golden Oreos, some fudge stripes, bubble gum, Juji fruits, some of these so he can seal the bags, corn nuts, some lemon pucker lemon candy by Russell Stover, some banana Laffy Taffies, and some Sour Patch Kids. So everything in the box is going to be yellow because it is sunshine, just for my baby. Now think about it. If you just want to send a package out of the blue, you could put everything that you find in the color blue. Like the Oreos are packed in blue, Cool Dorito Ranch are blue. Like you could just walk through the Dollar Tree and find so many snacks that are in that color. If you're doing a Valentine's box, well, then obviously everything in red. I did one for Halloween and everything was orange and black, and I had those plastic spiders and I had the spider web all over. Be creative and include little things just to make somebody smile. My son is in the military and he's kind of feeling a little lonely lately, so I wanted to send him something to cheer him up. Let's get started and get this box ready. Before I fill the box, I'm going to put the titles around the box flap. You could, if you wanted to, cover this side of the box, but I'm not going to this time. I'm just going to line the bottom and then the flaps. And then I'm gonna have so much in there that you really won't see the side of the box, but you could if you wanted to. I've placed my words by flap. So the first one is You Are My Sunshine, and I flip the letters so that I can use my adhesive really quickly. Add the adhesive to all of the letters and then stick them onto the flap and then do the next flap just to speed up the process a little bit more. Now that the flaps are done, that's the hardest part. You're done. And it really didn't take any time at all. You could use sticker letters or cut your own. I cut my own using my Cricut because it was going to be faster and I knew that I would have enough letters. Now, the easy part is just putting all the goodies in there. Start with a little bit of the shredded paper, just a little bit, and then put all my goodies in there. And really don't worry too much about how they look because it's all gonna get all jumbled up while it's being mailed out. I would suggest not sending chocolate during the summer months, especially if the person that you're mailing it to is in a state where the weather is really, really hot. These I'm actually going to take out. It'll look a little cuter. There. Just put them in there. And then before you seal up the box, don't forget to include a letter and some pictures. If it's been a while since they've been around family. Maybe some pictures would be a good idea to include. For my son, I'm actually including a picture of his child, Mr. Pochi. And Mr. Pochi will be actually writing a letter to his dad, and it will be included in the box. Then all you have to do is seal your box. I'm going to include some of these, just toss them in there. Just some suns. And I'm not going to seal my box because I have to put the letters and the pictures in there, but you would just seal it with tape and then put your label here, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you choose to mail somebody a care package. It could be a family member, it could be a friend, it could be a college student, maybe an elderly relative that's in a nursing home and they're not allowed to have visitors right now. Or maybe you have somebody in the military. Even if they're not deployed right now because of COVID, they're not allowed to travel more than 150 miles away from a base. So they might not be able to come home for a long weekend or just to visit family. And it's just a nice little happy meal. Come back again next week. Bye.